Hello everybody, Mark Lee here. Today, I will show you how to make your first step in SAP. You could use your SAP, open the SAP, log on, and in my SAP computer desktop, I can find the key and password. I will use the 800. Click on the IDES. IDES is our training system. The client name 800. You could copy your user ID here, and 11AA11 is the key password. Language EN means English. Enter. Then you jump into SAP Gray, and you could see all the SAP function like logistic, accounting. And I will show you if you log on SAP 2 times, what will show. Because sometimes you open SAP but you forgot you have opened it and you use log on to again. Oh, sure. You have the window tell you could end in the last one and continue using this one, or you just keep last one and open new one. So you could use log on a lot of times. And just now I will show you how to open section in SAP log on, SAP Gray. So how many sections could we have in just one SAP log on? I will show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So if you open more after you open 6 sections, your window comes and tell you could use only 6 sections. Every section could use different T code. Now I show how many T code you could use with your 6 sections. With all the section, with one section you could use 1 T code. So as an accountant, you could use a lot of functions, such as you could input general ledger. Another section you are using report, and some section you are using AR and AP functions. This is a balance sheet and PL statement. You click on the clock, then the report will run out. This report may be different with your country, but you can adjust it, and you can use your own format when you're familiar with the report. And I will show you I have shown you how to log on and how what will show in the double log on. And just now I will use tip. When you are using SAP input some data, tip key is very important. When you enter 1000 and tip, then the data entry will come to next entry in it. NEX means exhaust all the SAP sections. Okay, we log on again and see how to create a new SAP service. the description, you could change it. And this is the SAP IP address. And all the parameters will provided by the SAP basis or SAP consultant or IT expert in your company. Create new program, and you could click next. Yeah, next. The description, you could give your SAP server a name. This is a product system, our training system, our just your system, my system. I will create then the IP address of the server, the number, the ID, point to the logon, then the same input window comes out. User and key. This time I will not enter the language, I just enter. Because I have my language is default to English. Next time I will show you how to make your language default. Then I will show you how to use F1, SAP help, and F4, the input search. Log on to SAP. And the user password, enter. We use the report again. Chart of account is a master data of account. GL account is general ledger account. So we have a lot of account number here. So when we point to this place, sometimes if you use F1, then this window will come out and show what's the details and the background and the data character of this, and remember to check quick cut and paste, so you can use your mouse quickly input some data. I have copied the BOK from just when I choose F1, and the BOK, my default BOK, company code is 1000. So I have set my company code default to 1000. But sometimes the default parameter ID will not show in the report. It will show in the some tickle like F-con F02. And in S1, SU3, we can change some default parameter for yourself, like the language, default language Chinese, our Chinese traditional, and you could choose your print, your time, and the date format. In China, we use this, but other country use the first one. And for accountant, this in the middle is our best choice. And you could change your name here. This is your last name and your last name and first name, and you could change your department. Teacher department is okay. And you could change your password. You could import old password and new password 2 times. After change, you save it. Remember, save. If you didn't save, you didn't finish your job. You didn't change anything. This is show what's the function of SAP Logon. So we have a lot of function here. First says SAP menu and working area. Now I will show your favorite folder in SAP. Just like IE Explorer, you could insert a transaction. Use your right click in your mouse. Right click on the favorite. So your most useful T code will be here, just waiting for you every time you open SAP Logon. You point this, use your mouse, or just click F4. Yeah, you could inside a new folder, just like if you didn't remember monthly ending T code, you could use create a month ending folder and insert some transaction code here, because sometimes the transaction code in ending is not very common or use daily. You didn't remember them. Year ending, you could insert transaction like ISER function. Oh, I didn't remember these transactions. So it's very useful when you use favorite. When you use the year-ending function, you could edit here. So next time, it's easy for you to find them. This is use click and insert. And you also could drag a transaction from the menu, or just right click, add to favorites. Yeah, this one. Then it's jump to your favorite, and you can drag it to year ending or month ending. Yeah, we have more choice. Okay, I can drag them when I like. Drag any T code to any folder, and next time they will be active, will be saved automatically. Okay, so what I have to do, what's next? We have show the T code and how to show T code. Yeah, sometimes you open your SAP Logon and you didn't see the T code. You could select some options like display technical name. If you didn't choose the technical name, then you will not see the transaction code. Or you did not display screen. The screen will not show. Display menu. The menu will show. Now we didn't see the T code, and we display technical name, then F02 will appear. The next thing I will show you, how to find the T code in SAP menu. SAP menu is very large and long. Sometimes you could not find the T code, but you remember it. So you could use SAP, search SAP menu and input the T code name. Then the right side will show the entrance of the how to find the T code, where to find the T code. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, then the document entry, here. So it's very easy. You could see they are very easy to find with this technique. So everybody, we are just finished all I have to say. Thank you.